Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, remove file type associations to default or none in Windows 11 fix. All Power Files file types are changed to Java. Type File Explorer options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer option. Click View tab, uncheck Hide extensions for known file types, click Apply, click OK. Create new text file named as test.xyz. Right-click Power Scheme file, click Open with, click Choose another app. Click Choose an app on your PC. Select test.xyz. Restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.